wanted to do an update on this thermos. So this I filled up with boiling water 28 hours ago, and I've not opened it, so this is the first time. I'm going to see how hot it is with this thermometer. So we'll find out together. The cap actually still feels a little warm, which is good. So again, you can unscrew it about that far, and you can pour through the lid, which is quite nice. It keeps more of the heat in longer. And this cup is vacuum sealed too, so it won't be hot to hold, which is a huge plus. So let's see what we got here. Again, this was 28 hours ago that I put fresh boiling water in. I'll just give it another 30 seconds or so. Definitely still warm. Looks like that may be it. So 130 degrees or 55 Celsius. That's pretty impressive, I think, for 28 hours being sealed. Anyway, quick little update on this thermos. I'm still liking it quite a bit. Only one feedback I would have would be I wish that this had some kind of checkering on it, so you have something to grip. Other than that, I totally love it.